Question number 3. This question is of complex numbers. On a sketch of an organ diagram, shade the region whose points represent complex number z satisfying the inequalities z minus 3 minus iota modulus is less than or equal to 3 and z modulus greater than or equal to z minus 4 iota modulus. These are two inequalities. In both the inequalities, z is a general complex number. Sketch an organ diagram. Shade the region whose points represent complex numbers z satisfying the inequalities. These are the inequalities. Now, this inequality, first inequality gives us a circle and the second inequality gives us a straight line. These are the locus for the first inequality will be a circle and the locus of second inequality will be a straight line. First inequality is z minus uh, z minus 3 minus iota modulus is less than or equal to 3. So we can write it in this format z minus, we are taking common minus 3 plus iota modulus is less than or equal to 3. From here, this complex number 3 plus iota shows the center of the circle. These are the points of the center of the circle 3, 1. 3, 1 is the center of the circle and radius is 3. So center of the circle is 3, 1 and radius of the circle is 3. This complex number z is a journal complex number. This complex number, the points of this complex number shows center of the circle, that is 3, 1 and radius is 3. We have to sketch a circle with center 3, 1 and radius 3. Now for the second inequality, first we will write in the same format z modulus is greater than or equal to z minus 4 iota modulus. Uh, this left hand side we can write it as z minus 0 plus 0 iota modulus greater than or equal to, we will write this z, we are taking common z minus 0 plus 4 iota modulus. Now in this left hand side 0 0 shows the origin and this complex number shows the point 0 4 or here is the point 0 0. So these points So points are 0, 0 and 0, 4. We locate these 2 points, then we will take a perpendicular bisector, the line joining these 2 points. That will be the locus. So look at this diagram. First we draw the axis, the real axis, x-axis is real axis and y-axis is imaginary axis. Numbering. Now, center of the circle, first we locate this uh, point. Center of the circle is 3, 1, radius is 3. We make the organ diagram. Center is 3, 1. This is the center. 3, 1. This is the center of the circle. Radius is 3. So, we will make a circle with radius 3. This is the locus. This circle is as an organ diagram for the first inequality, and for the second inequality we will join these 2 points 0, 0 and 0, 4. 0, 0 and 0, 4. This is this point is 0, 0. This is 0, 4. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of this line that I am indicating. This is a line joining 0, 0 and 0, 4. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of this. So this red line is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining 0, 0 and 0, 4. So y is equal to 2. This line passes through 2. So y is equal to 2 is a locus. Y is equal to 2 is the locus for the second inequality. Now we will shade the region which satisfy both the inequalities. Here, look at this. First inequality, radius is 3 or less than 3. This shows that Z lies inside the circle. Inside the circle or on the circumference of the circle, Z lies here. And second inequality shows that Z modulus is greater than Z minus 4 iota. So Y is equal to 2 since Z is greater than Z minus 4 iota. So we will will lie on the upper side of this line, this horizontal line. So this shaded region is the this shaded region shows the location of that complex number Z. Or in other words, we can say that this shaded portion shows uh, both the inequalities in which these inequalities, both the inequalities show this shaded region. This shows that Z can lie in this region.